All applicants for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund have submitted their final Form S-1 amendments to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. This marks a pivotal moment, especially on February, as the deadline for submission was set for 8 a.m. institution today, January 8th. Leading the pack, Valkyrie submitted its final S-1 amendment well ahead of the speculated January 10th date, which many industry insiders believe could see the first approvals of spot in the Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. Following suit, major players such as WisdomTree, BlackRock, VanEck, Invesco, Galaxy, Grayscale, ARK Invest, 21 Shares, Bitwise, Franklin Templeton, and Grayscale also completed theirs. However, Hashdex has not updated its S1. The new filings are the penultimate step before the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. The last one is the SEC voting on the $19B force filings in the coming days, specifically on Wednesday. Not all. Scott Johnson, finance lawyer at Davis Polk, elaborated. Wednesday, 19B4 approval orders issued post-close Thursday. Requester for acceleration from issuers. Friday, notice of effectiveness filed from SEC. Tuesday, trading starts. And that's where Tempo Inside issue. They're still offerant in research problems. I don't know why we have any serious crew. And my crew, Tuesday, trading starts. Scott Johnson, January 8th, 2024. Others expect that the spot Bitcoin ETFs could even start trading as early as Thursday or Friday. The S-1 amendments are crucial as they disclose information about fees for the potential ETFs. In an interesting turn of events, several filers have significantly lowered fees for trading their potential spot Bitcoin ETF products. Initially, BlackRock was leading with the lowest fees. Katie Greifeld, anchor of the Close and ETF IQ on Bloomberg, highlighted. BlackRock's fee is finally listed. Final fee is 30 BP, but 20 BPS in the first 12 months or until the first $5 billion in assets. That's the new low water mark. The more Kathy words, the latest S1 of ARK, that was pretty comfortable, and that was a drop once in 4 or 5% to 25%, and a special offer of about 10.5% for during a 6-month period from the day of listing for the first $1 billion in transactions. Eric Balchunas, a Bloomberg analyst, commented on this competitive landscape. But wait, ARK just dropped their fee to 0.25%, and an S1 filed 20 minutes after BlackRock's. Told y'all the fee war would break out back. They even launched. This is where they're back in Vanguard on the mix. Damn. ARK going from 80 bits to 25 bits in one shot is breathtaking. The fee wars are intense to heavy, but that should be 2 seconds. Everything that we want. See anything. See most. However, ARK was undercut at the last minute as well. Bill last submitted a 0.24% fee. No fees are charged for the first 6 months or $1 billion AUM. Notably, VanEck also disclosed a fee of only 0.25%, though without any special promotions for the launch, unlike BlackRock and ARK Invest. The leading quartet is followed by Franklin Receiving and Templeton, Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust, WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust, Valkyrie Bitcoin Fund, Hashdex, and Grayscale, 1.5%. Eric Balchunas elaborated that historically, temporary fee waivers have not significantly impacted investor decisions, as advisors tend to focus on long-term fees. However, given the uniformity of services offered in by these ETFs, he suggested that fee differences might play a more significant role this time. Historically, this hasn't moved the needle much. Advisors focused on regular fees since they are long-term investors. That said, given all these ETFs all do the same thing, maybe it will matter all else equal. We'll see, he remarked. And Katie Greifeld has commented, I spoke too soon, we're low watermark. ARK and 21 shares are going 0.25% and no fee for the first 6 months.
or until $1 billion in assets. These are very, very low numbers. VanEck also coming in hot with a 25 base fee. For context, GLD, the largest physically backed commodity exchange, charges 40 BP.
The truth is there. Following the news, the Bitcoin price reacted with a 2% jump, rising as high as $45,300.